Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make shrimp fried rice. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by seasoning the shrimp, and my shrimp is already washed and deveined, and this is about 30 shrimp I have here. So I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of Sazon complete seasoning, your favorite all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna mix this together. And we're gonna put this aside and move on to the next step. I'm gonna turn on the stove on medium-high. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of oil, and this is regular vegetable oil, to the pot. I'm gonna whisk my eggs up just to scramble it. You just want to beat this up before adding it to the pot. So now I'm gonna take these out because they're finished cooking. If you want, you could push them to the side, but I prefer to just take it out. One onion chopped. This is finely chopped. I'm gonna add some bell peppers. You can use whichever color you want, or you can use just one color. And I'm gonna add 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Now I'm gonna add the shrimps, and this is about 30 shrimps in this. And we're just gonna cook this until it have a nice color. You don't want to overcook this. You want to just cook this for like 6 minutes or so. Now we're gonna add our frozen vegetables, and this is some peas and carrot. And you can basically add any vegetables you'd like to add to this. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. To give it that nice flavor. Smelling good already. Now I'm gonna add the rice, and you want your rice to be nice and shelly. Now I'm going to add my soy sauce, and this is about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and this is dark mushroom soy sauce. You can add more, you can add less. This all depends on how you like the color of your fried rice. And we're just going to combine everything together like this. I'm telling you guys, this is smelling amazing already. It's smelling good. And this is so simple and easy. time to add back the eggs to the pot and combine everything together. This is smelling amazing, guys. If you reach this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So this is looking fried rice, like fried rice to me. If this don't look like fried rice to you, I don't know what else is gonna look like fried rice. It's smelling like fried rice. It's looking like fried rice. I turned the heat off, so I'm basically just gonna top this off with some green onions. Because you know, shrimp fried rice is not complete without some green onions, right? I just like the flavor that it had to it, and the colors so appealing. So you just mix this in. Oh my god. So this is the finished product. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also leave me a comment down below what you think of my shrimp fried rice. Bye guys, see you in my next video.